Have you ever thought to yourself, how do I get my photos from my camera onto my phone and to my client? Well, it's not that hard. All you need is this, and I'm going to show you what parts, how to use it, and how to make your client really happy. A USB 3.0 and a USB Micro B is the first cord you need. The 3.0 is the one with a little notch in it. Then you get the Apple Lightning to Camera USB 3.0 camera adapter, $39 on the Apple Store. You connect those two together. Plug the 3.0 into the Canon or Nikon body. Connect the cord to your camera, and then connect the cord to your phone. Power everybody on, and you should be ready to go. Your images will import into Photo. Hit the import button on the bottom right and they will start propagating in. Once they appear, click on the ones you want. There will be a little orange check mark. Once that's done, hit import. It will ask you if you want to keep them. Keep them, do not delete them. I shoot RAW. By simply editing the photos in the camera app, you will make a JPEG by cropping the image. And just like that, it's super easy to get images to your client. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I appreciate it if you subscribe.